Hey everyone! Quick question before we start. Have you ever looked up at the moon and thought, what if this giant glowing rock just disappeared? Like poof, gone without a trace? No moon? No problem, right? Well, maybe it's a huge problem. Today, we're diving deep into what would happen if the moon suddenly vanished. Spoiler alert, it's crazier than your weirdest dreams and way more serious than you think. So buckle up, because this episode is gonna shake your world. Literally, would your beach day still be fun without tides? Would you survive nights darker than your phone's battery at 1%? Could you even handle seasons that make your wardrobe look like a carnival? Let's find out. Imagine you're chilling on a beach, feet in the water, enjoying the Sunday. Suddenly, the ocean moves, it rises, it falls, like it's dancing. This dance? It's called tides. And the moon? It's the DJ controlling this ocean party. Science. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, causing bulges on the side facing it and the opposite side, creating high tides. As Earth spins, locations pass through these bulges, experiencing high and low tides. The sun also pulls on water, but only about 46%, as much as the moon. What if the moon vanished? Tides would shrink to roughly a third of current sizes, because only the sun would remain pulling. That might sound peaceful, but it'd cause chaos for millions of marine species that depend on tides for feeding, breeding, and navigation. Sea turtles, crabs, coral reefs all synced to the lunar clock would lose their schedules. Imagine crabs in therapy. I'm confused. Should I walk sideways, forwards, or just sit home? Surfers? I quit my job to chase waves. Now, there's just flat water. What did I do wrong? Without strong tides, ecosystems collapse. Fishing industries fail, and beaches erode unpredictably. The moon isn't just a shiny ball, it's the ocean's manager. Earth's axial tilt stability. The moon acts like Earth's stabilizer, holding its axis at about 23.5 degrees. Without it, Earth would wobble uncontrollably, like a washing machine with a sock stuck inside. What happens? Seasons become extreme. Summers could scorch you at 50 degrees Celsius. Winters freeze you in unexpected places, and the climate could swing wildly over millions of years. You'd need a wardrobe with snow boots, swimsuits, and umbrellas all in one day. Fashion would get complicated fast. This wobble would also cause huge changes in day length and weather patterns, making life unpredictable. The darkening of nights and effects on wildlife? Without moonlight, nights would be darker than your phone at 1% battery. Animals that rely on moonlight to hunt or navigate owls, wolves, sea turtles would be lost. Wolves would try howling at nothing. Guys, is this the howl or the silent disco? Even nocturnal insects would have to rethink their nightlife plans. For humans, moonless nights would feel eerier. No romantic walks, no poetic inspiration, and definitely no werewolves unless they switch to howling at the streetlights. Earth's rotation speeds up. The moon's gravity slows Earth's spin, making days longer over time. Without it, Earth spins faster and days get shorter, possibly down to 15 hours or less over millions of years. Imagine working 9 to 5, but your 5 comes after lunch. Wait, it's already sunset? Where did my afternoon go? Shorter days would impact human biology, sleep cycles, and the environment, think jet lag, every day. Climate and seasonal chaos. The moon stabilizes Earth's climate by keeping its tilt steady. Without it, climate would swing wildly. You could have blizzards in deserts and heat waves in polar regions. Weather forecasts would be useless. Farmers would give up, and everyone would dress like they're prepared for a zombie apocalypse, layers on layers. Biological and ecological impact. Plants and animals evolved with lunar cycles. Moon phases affect coral spawning, animal migrations, and even human behavior to some extent. Without the moon's influence, ecosystems would be out of sync. Coral reefs could stop reproducing properly. Fish migration routes could become chaotic, and some animals might lose their natural rhythms. Even your cat might start asking, "Hey, where did my moonlight nap spot go?" Cultural and historical impact. The moon shaped human culture, mythology, calendars, and religions. Ancient sailors navigated by the moon's light. Poets wrote about it, and many myths revolve around it. Without the moon, history itself would be different. no lunar calendars, no werewolves, and maybe no once-in-a-blue moon sayings. What if the moon turned into cheese? What if it exploded? What if it suddenly grew twice as big? If the moon were cheese, I'd finally understand why mice never go near it. If it exploded, Earth would probably get a new disco ball. If it grew twice as big, night would be so bright you'd never need a flashlight again. Conclusion: the moon is not just a pretty light in the sky, it's a crucial part of Earth's life support system. Without it, tides vanish, seasons go haywire, nights get scary, days get shorter, and ecosystems collapse. So next time you look up at the moon, give it a little respect, because without it, Earth would be a wild, unpredictable mess, and we wouldn't be here to complain about slow Wi-Fi. Guys, the moon isn't just a romantic light bulb hanging up there. No, it's been Earth's life partner for millions of years. But imagine this: you wake up, look out the window, no moon. The question is, what's the first thing you do? Start searching for it on Google Maps? Or post on Facebook, "The moon's been stolen"? Share your ideas in the comments. Maybe we'll form a community search committee for the moon.